So, what's up YouTube? This is what I landed on for my miter saw. It's the 10-inch skill dual bevel sliding miter saw. I was going to go with the 12-inch, but honestly, this seemed like the perfect fit for me. There's all your cross cuts and miters, and I think this will be just perfect. So let's unbox this thing. So we have it unboxed. The blade looks really greased up there, oiled up, but I'm pretty happy overall. This is still a sticker back there. You know, this is a budget saw, so my expectations aren't super high. Let me get the rest of it put together and we'll see how this thing does. Alright, I know the lighting kind of sucks. Here's my little 8.5-inch Ryobi. It's more like just a chop saw. Here's the old one. I think I might actually buy the parts to fix this because it's really convenient to have a cordless one. But out with the old and in with the new, we got the Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. I have a few Skill products. The worm drive table saw. I got the flooring saw down there. I got the Ryobi cordless table saw. I went with this one because of VCG Construction. I was checking out. I saw Vince do his thing. I'll link that video because I'm just going to chop some wood, but he'll go more in depth with this thing. He does a great job. I trust his opinion for woodworking tools and such. He's got a good eye for that. I like the clamp. It's going to take me a little getting used to this style, but you pull up the lever and then this moves, and then you push the lever down and it still moves, but you can tighten it down on the back. There's screw holes, so both sides has a spot for the holder downer, and then your fence, you got some screw holes, and it's adjustable out to here. So there's how that looks. And let's get this thing plugged in and start cutting some wood. Other features there real quick. It does have some slide out bars. You need a screw there, but the Allen key is in the back. This is for the bevel back here. One thing I'm gonna have to get used to is the pull out for that is right here under the chute. Can't do it with two hands, but there's the pull out. It's in the front, not the back. But that locks it. And then you got the lock for the slide right there. Slide's pretty good. You have a stop setting right here. So you can set that if you don't want your saw going all the way down. All right, let's get it set up. So this saw does come with a bag for the sawdust, but one thing I want to note is I bought this Wen pedal, foot pedal. So it's basically like a switch, and you can plug something into it and have it on. So what I usually do is plug my shop vac into it and put the foot pedal under the saw in the front. And that way when I cut, I just push down on the pedal. I don't have to flick it on off. It's just always on, ready to go. So just a little tip there. All right, so this thing does come with a shadow light also. So you can see it on the board there. Comes up with a nice line. Bring it away, it's gone. Come down, boom. I like that feature a lot, pretty cool. So let's cut. This is pressure treated 2x10 pine. Let's give it a go, see how it does here. Nice cut. There we go. This is just with the blade that it came with. I think it's 40 tooth carbide tipped. Let's do one more cut here. Seems to be pretty accurate too. Here's a pine stair tread. See how it does with this. I believe this is 10 inches also. So there's no electric brake or anything. And the dust collection's not that great either. Here's just a smaller piece of wood. Let's put the this on here and see how this does. Alright, we'll see how this clamps it down. I really like this, the way it does the line. In my opinion, it works pretty good. I'm not going to do any other cuts, just simple. Here's that little trigger for the bevel though, so you can bring it side to side. Has a lot of nice stops. Like I said, I'll put VCG's video on this saw, but budget friendly. I think there's $30 off on Amazon, so it's like $210. I dig it. I like it. Think it's going to work out well. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Later.